Hello everyone. Today Steve will do a very special testing about our advanced wireless doorbell in a very special place. And remember, this transmitter is self-powered, no need the battery. Okay, let's go. How classic this hotel is. The architecture is full of Chinese elements, you can see. And today I will do the range testing for the bell push, the self-powered bell push in a very special place. And I will show you how far it can work. You see? My stuff is over there. And the visible distance, I guess, is around 150 meters. So the range testing is passed. If you enjoyed this video, just follow me and add my WeChat and add my YouTube and subscribe me. Thank you for watching.